Hi, this is Alex with Bamboo Solutions, and today I'm going to be going over an installation of our Bamboo installer for modern pages. So first thing you're going to do is go to shop.bamboosolutions.com, go to your account. You can also register with us. And the first part on the right hand side, you're going to see a My Product Versions. And you'll see the download Bamboo installer for cloud products. I've already downloaded it. It comes in a zip file package, and extract that. Take note of it as well because it's going to have some files inside. There's going to be the Bamboo-installer sppkg file that we're going to be working with. Next, you're going to go to your app catalog on your SharePoint sites and click on that. We're going to upload that file into your app catalog here. One upload complete. It's got Bamboo installer here. It will show up. Also, you can take note in the advanced options, or actually the properties itself, that it's currently enabled. Just something to take note of. Next, you're going to make a modern page. Name it whatever you want, Bamboo installer. And on the page, you will see an add a new web part in column 1. This has actually been, I'll refresh the page. Let's see here. Was that before? And we're going to type in anything Bamboo will show up. All of our products are named Bamboo. Will start with Bamboo usually. Bamboo client installer is what we're looking for. And we will save and close. Let's see. And now you can put in your site collection URL that you want to have. You will choose modern. You can choose which app catalog you want to deploy to. We have site collection or tenant. After that, you would choose the zip file package of the product that you are downloading or testing or trialing. Our trials come with a 30-day trial license. And if you have purchased, we are able to get you the license file for the product itself. You'll click Upload Cloud Parts to start the installation process, and then on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see if it's successful or not. There's also a Show Logs option as well if you run into any issues. We are here to help. So that is a installation of the My Bamboo installer for modern pages on Office 365. Thank you very much.